Good morning, everyone. I'm Nikesh Shrestha, and today I'm excited to share with you an innovative project focused on revolutionizing senior citizen care through an IoT solution. Let's dive into how we're enhancing the well-being and safety of our elderly population. So, here are the contents we'll be talking about today. So, firstly, we'll start with introduction to the IoT product, the key innovative idea, objective, business model canvas, the concept drawing, ethical and socioeconomic consideration, conclusion, and finally the reference. So let's start with the introduction. In an era where the well-being of our elderly community members is of increasing concern, we've recognized a crucial need for advanced solution to enhance the well-being and safety of older people. So for this, monetary solution in aged care houses may not be sufficient for individuals living with their families. So we proposed an, a new system with the integration of physical hardware components, including sensors, buzzer, and navigation buttons. So here we'll be creating a complementary mobile application for medication reminders, entertainment, and emergency notification for the elderly. So it is designed with an user interface to cater to the preference of older users. Also, this PPT mainly focuses on developing a comprehensive IoT system for senior citizens' needs and requirements. So let's dive into the key innovative idea that we're using. So it's the central innovation. What is central innovation? So this project's central innovation consolidates critical functionalities into a single user-friendly IoT device and companion application. This is designed specially for senior citizens and for simplicity and ease of use. So talking about the current scenario, the existing system focuses on specific medical purposes, catering primarily to individuals with non-medical condition. Example can be of dementia of Alzheimer's disease, wearing sensors for health tracking and location alerts. So similarly for this, we'll be using these innovations for our system. So they are real-time health monitoring, fault detection, emergency assistant, entertainment options, voice assistant, and medication dispenser. So let's start with a real-time health monitor. So it is a so we'll be so this IoT device includes sensors that can monitor vital health parameters such as heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels, providing continuous data to users and caregivers. Fault detection. We have an advanced sensor within the device that can detect irregular motion sensors. We can detect whether elderly people had a fall or anything. So it can directly send a message through this IoT device. So there's also an bot. So we have also an button for emergency that allows users to make quick emergency call with the press of a button. And for the entertainment option, we have a lot of entertainment options offerings. We have games and quizzes for elderly people so they can pass the time. Also, we have voice assistant in case they cannot use physical buttons. We have voice assistant as well, and we have the option for medical dispenser. So what is the objective of this main idea? So the motivation for this innovation is, so talking about the older age, there's an unpredictability of health in older people. So it concerns about the social life of seniors who may not actively participate in events or are confined to isolated environments. It aims to ease the lives of seniors and their caretakers by addressing these challenges. So we have a gap in current approach. That's why we're trying to address this issue and come up with this IT device to fill in the gaps. The current approach tends to focus on individuals with known health deficiencies. It neglects the broader population, including those who appear healthy but may face uncertainties due to age-related fragility. So we're talking about the overall objective. It is used to enhance the life of seniors and reduce the burden on caretakers by providing a comprehensive solution. We have like we've talked earlier, it encompasses health monitoring, emergency response, entertainment, and optional medication management for the elderly. So talking about the main business model canvas, we have 9 key components for this business model canvas, which we'll be looking about. So talking about the customer segments, so the main customer segments of our system is elderly people, especially the caretakers will be taking care of the elderly people and the people in the medical field. So what is the value proposition of this device. So the value proposition is will be providing safety, will be monitoring the health, also entertainment for the elderly, the connectivity through the wearables, and the application in application through mobile phone, and will be improving the quality of life of elderly through this. So the value is the ease of use and independence for the elderly. So which channel will be working through? The channel will be covering through is medical institution, governmental aid, public awareness program, and social media. So and the relationship we'll be having is through social media, advertising, hospital and general medical practitioner, and aged care homes. And talking about the revenue stream, so how will we generate the revenue for this? So we'll be selling the IoT devices through a form of a wearable watch or something like that. So we'll be selling the IoT devices to the medical, institutional, governmental aid, HA homes, and generating revenue. Also, we have a subscription feature for different features, which will be charged monthly or yearly, depending, and will be also be earning some revenue from the advertisement as well. And for this, what are the key partners, activities, and resources we'll be using? So basically the cost structure. So the key partners are IoT device suppliers. So we'll lead a supplier for our devices, which will be manufactured. So the smart device suppliers, and we'll also be needing software development team for the development of the software. Sensor technologies will be using for the system, and healthcare providers where we'll be selling the products. The activities we'll be using that are involved are device manufacturing, designing and development of software, maintenance of software, and marketing campaigns. The resources are healthcare providers, one-time device sales, subscription features, online marketing, and healthcare campaign. So the cost structure is basically includes research and development, training, marketing, sales cost, testing, production. So on the left-hand side, we've got all the cost of the business that will be required for the business, and on the right, we have all the all the all the components that will generate income for this business. So talking about the concept drawings, so this is the concept of the wearable device we'll be creating. On the front side, we have a menu to navigate through the application. And on the top right, we have the emergency alert button, which will be triggered when pressed 3 times. We have also alarm buzzer that buzzes upon medication, other things, also a reminder preset in the application. We have an audio recognition sensor on the left-hand side for those who cannot physically press the button, who can use the voice to trigger the emergency alert. On the back-end side, we have the sensor for monitoring the heart rate, BP, and oxygen. And on the top and the bottom right, we have turbulence sensor. In case of a fall, it detects whether the elderly people had a fall, and it triggers the emergency alert signal. This is the prototype of the app we'll be using, where we have emergency call feature, family call feature, entertainment such as games, puzzles, health tracking. It shows the details of all the heart rate, BP, weight chart, and everything in this. Also reminder for medications. This is the prototype of the wearables and the application which we will be using for our system. So for this, the ethical and socioeconomic considerations should be considered. For this, the ethical considerations are privacy concerns, informed consent, autonomy, and dignity, equitable access. So these are the core of our principles. For the socioeconomic consideration, we're committed to affordability, accessibility, minimizing employment impacts, and addressing healthcare disparities. So finally, in conclusion, our project signifies a leap forward in senior care. We're not just conceptual, we're practical, addressing real-world challenges. Our user-centric design, commitment to ethical principles, and socioeconomic inclusivity set us on a path for continuous improvement. We're empowering seniors and caregivers alike, expressing gratitude for the present and optimism for future projects. So these are all the references we have used for this. Thank you.